Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today we will explain to you how to install the very popular Forex trading application MT4 on your Windows VPS. You can install other Forex software also in the same way. To install Forex software on your VPS, you will have to log in your Windows VPS from your local computer. You can use any known remote desktop application on your laptop or PC to connect the VPS. Here, we have used remote desktop connection as a demo. Please be informed that to install Forex trading application on your VPS, you should log in as administrator on your VPS. Enter IP address of your Windows VPS along with port number and click on the Connect button. In the username field, type administrator. In the password field, enter the password of the administrator user. Click on the OK button to log in to the Windows VPS. This process may take a few seconds to complete. Congratulations! You are logged in your Windows VPS. Open your favorite browser like Firefox or Google Chrome. Here we have used Firefox browser as a demo. Type MT4 download on it and press enter. Click on the download MT4 for PC. Once you click on it, one new tab will be opened. Click on the download MT4 to download it on your VPS. The download process may take a few seconds to complete. Here, we are using MT4 for testing. Click on the downloaded setup.exe and run it. Click Next to agree to the terms of use. It will take a few seconds to install the app. Click the Finish button to complete the installation. That's it. You can sign up for a new account from the top File menu. Click on File menu and click on the Open an account for new sign up. To log in into an existing account, click on File and then select the Login to Trade account. Provide the login ID, password and select the server. Click on the OK button. Enjoy the trading. Thank you for watching.